In the heart of a serene village, nestled amidst rolling hills, lies a well that serves as the lifeline of the community. This is the story of two villagers, Avram and Sarah, whose unwavering determination and spirit of cooperation faced an unexpected challenge one fateful morning. Let us journey into their tale of ingenuity, resilience, and the timeless wisdom that unity conquers all obstacles. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there stood a well, a lifeline for the community, providing water for their crops, cooking, and everyday needs. Every morning, as the rooster crowed and the sky brightened, two villagers, Avram from the north and Sarah from the south, would make their way to the well.
Morning, Sarah. Lovely day for a walk to the well, isn't it?
Indeed, Avram. The air is crisp and the birds are singing. It's my favorite part of the day.
One fateful morning, as Avram and Sarah arrived at the well, they were greeted by a startling sight. The rope used for drawing water was missing. Panic set in as they realized that without the rope, they couldn't access the water they needed for their households and the rest of the village.
Sarah, look. The rope is gone.
Oh no, this is terrible. How will we get water now?
Desperate for a solution, they both looked around the well, hoping to find the missing rope, but it was nowhere to be found. In their distress, they turned to the village elder, Reb Moshe, for guidance.
Reb Moshe, we have a problem. The rope for the well is missing. What do you have in mind, Reb Moshe?
That is troubling indeed. Let me think for a moment.
Reb Moshe listened patiently to their plight and then proposed a daring solution.
Avram, Sarah, I have an idea. Instead of relying on the missing rope, why not work together to find a solution?
Avram and Sarah exchanged uncertain glances, intrigued by Reb Moshe's suggestion.
What do you have in mind, Reb Moshe?
Let's think creatively. Perhaps we can fashion a new rope using materials from around the village. Or we could explore other methods of drawing water from the well. Together, we can overcome this challenge.
Avram and Sarah nodded in agreement, inspired by Reb Moshe's words. With renewed determination, they set out to gather materials and brainstorm ideas for solving the problem.
Avram, let's check the forest for vines and branches we can use.
Good idea, Sarah. Let's split up and cover more ground.
After hours of collaboration and experimentation, they finally devised a makeshift solution using vines and sturdy branches from the surrounding trees. With their improvised rope in hand, they were able to lower the bucket into the well and draw water to sustain the village. Their ingenuity and teamwork saved the day, reinforcing the village's spirit of unity and resilience in the face of adversity. From that day forward, Avram, Sarah, and Reb Moshe were hailed as heroes in the village, their willingness to think outside the box and work together serving as an inspiration to all.
Sarah, we did it. We found a solution together.
Yes, Avram, teamwork really does make the dream work.
And as they stood side by side, they knew that no challenge was too great when faced with creativity and cooperation. As the sun sets on our village, let us carry forward the lessons learned from Avram, Sarah, and Reb Moshe. Remember, in times of difficulty, it's not just the resources we lack, but the spirit of collaboration and innovation that can truly save the day. Together, we are stronger, and with creativity as our compass, there's no challenge too great for us to overcome. So let us face each new dawn with unity in our hearts and the unwavering belief that, as a community, we can turn adversity into triumph.